Zaber modular gantry systems make it easy to configure pick-and-place, liquid handling, inspection, measurement, alignment systems, and more. Easily automate benchtop processes with programmable, precise, and repeatable 2D and 3D movements. Zaber offers 3 types of XY and XYZ gantry systems. The belt-driven T-slot LC40 gantry, suited for high-speed and long-travel applications. The LSQ gantry, designed for high-precision benchtop applications. And the screw-driven LRT gantry, built for high-precision and heavy-load tasks. The LC40 gantry is ideal for integration with T-slot framing and compatibility with off-the-shelf accessories. It features XY travel lengths ranging from 100 by 100 mm to 3500 by 3500 mm. Payload capacity up to 200 kilograms, speeds reaching 3 meters per second, peak thrust of 90 newtons, and repeatability down to 40 microns. The LC40 offers a few starting configurations, including a simple and low-cost system with a single X and Y motor and passive guide, a dual motor option that improves load distribution and reduces maximum Y-axis deflection, a quad carriage option to expand your mounting platform and increase load capacity, and a complete XYZ gantry for full 3-axis motion. For Z-axis options, choose from a moving carriage or moving column. The moving column option provides upward retraction, increasing workspace accessibility. Constructed with 40/40 T-slot extrusions, the LC40 gantry system integrates standard T-slots and is compatible with most T-slot framing systems and accessories, giving you more design flexibility in configuring your setup. When your application demands high precision in a space-saving design, the screw-driven LSQ gantry is the optimal solution. With XY travel lengths ranging from 150 by 150 mm to 600 by 600 mm, payload capacity up to 30 kilograms, speeds reaching 1000 mm per second, peak thrust up to 120 newtons, and repeatability down to 3 microns. Optional risers and hardcovers are available to elevate your system and provide added protection. For applications that require both high precision and the ability to handle substantial loads, the screw-driven LRT gantry offers the ideal combination of these capabilities. Travel lengths range from 500 by 500 mm to 1500 by 1500 mm. Load capacity up to 100 kilograms. Maximum speed up to 700 mm per second. Peak thrust of up to 1200 newtons. And repeatability down to 6 microns. All linear stages used in Zaber gantries are manufactured with recirculating ball bearings for better stiffness and product lifetime. Build the exact system you need by combining Zaber devices with their shared mounting patterns and communication protocols. For more specialized setups, customizations are available upon request. Begin with choosing from pre-configured gantries that best fit your travel length, load, and precision requirements. Then, fine-tune your selection and desired options in the online configurator tool. The configurator tool guides you through every step to help you decide on your axis lengths, accessories, and more. As you make changes, the pricing, system specifications, and lead times update in real time to match your custom configuration. Order online with a 30-day money-back guarantee and enjoy fast lead times for standard products. All accessories are automatically included: multi-axis controllers, drivers, cable guides, cables, mounts, and more. When you're getting started, use the free Zaber Launcher software for fast setup and simple movements. Explore time-saving tools such as the Position Velocity Time Viewer to generate a visual overview of your path while being able to edit it in real time. Program more complex routines with our powerful API with support for popular programming languages and tools. Whether you need help choosing the right product or optimizing your setup, get expert guidance from one of our application engineers within 1 business day. Get in touch by clicking the Ask an Engineer button on our website or by exploring the Zaber Online Gantry Configurator.